Another thing I want to change out are these depressing backup halogen light bulbs. They're 921. There are 3 clips at the bottom. I already took 2 out, so let me get the 3rd one out. So there's one. So I got these guys out of my RX6 from before. So these are the same 921 bulb. What I like about these is they have LEDs all the way around and also in the front, but this should do the trick. So let me throw this in reverse. I don't think these guys are polarity sensitive, but let's just try it out. All right, so that works. So I'm just gonna stick this back in. So it turns out I couldn't put the bulb back in because the bulb is a little bit longer and I don't have much wire to play with to stick this back in. So what I gotta do is take this whole module out. There are 1 and 2 10mm bolt. I'm gonna take those off, and then maybe I should be able to get this in there. All right, so I took the 2 10mm bolts out, but I couldn't get this disconnected. I'm not gonna try to force it and break something, so I'm just gonna leave it alone, and I'm just gonna put the second one on, make sure the polarity is right, and then I'm just gonna put the whole thing back on. Okay, now they're both on, so I'm just gonna put this back up and bolt everything down. So much better. Then the next ones I'm gonna do are these Vanity mirror light bulbs. So I got these LEDs. They're actually called 28mm fuse style LEDs. And these guys use very little power. Flip this open, get a nice flathead in there, and pry this open. It pops right off. And I'm just gonna pop this right off. There, it's out. And we're gonna take our LED and stick it right in there. I wanna make sure it's facing flat out. So there. Now I'm gonna put the cover back on. Now they're both done. Look at that. Passenger side, driver's side. They're so bright that I could actually use these as cabin lights. All right, well, hopefully this is helpful, guys. We'll see you next time.